If your old sensor is in good condition but not working, follow Part 1. If your sensor is damaged, please refer to Part 2. Before getting started, first go to customercare.guardianprotection.com and log into your account. Select System Info on the left-hand side, and then select Test My System. Simply follow the steps provided to put your system into test mode. During this time, you will hear several beeps and tones coming from your panel. In the box, you will find two different pieces. Note the difference between the sensor and the magnet. The larger piece is the sensor, and the smaller piece is the magnet. Part 2. Replacing your sensor and magnet. It's helpful to take a photo you can reference afterwards to confirm the new sensor is mounted correctly. The sensor is usually placed on the frame, and the magnet is usually placed on the door or window. But in some instances, this may be reversed. Follow the same placement used by your installation technician originally. Squeeze the top and bottom of the device lengthwise and remove the cover from the device. Use your thumb to push the mounting tab to remove the circuit board from the case. Remove the two mounting screws to remove the sensor, or twist the bracket to loosen the mounting tape. Follow the same steps to remove the magnet. Thoroughly clean the surface where you will be placing the new sensor. Place double-sided tape on back of the sensor and magnet. Mount the sensor with the magnet indicator pointing to the door magnet location. Mount the magnet pointing toward the door sensor indicator. The sensor and magnet shouldn't be positioned more than ½ an inch apart. Press and hold them in place for 20 seconds. Open and close the door a few times to make sure the pieces don't shift or bump one another. After replacing your sensor, please contact us to have your new sensor programmed into your security system. Email activate@guardianprotection.com with your name, address, and phone number.